Hey guys, welcome to JBS Garage. In this video, we're unboxing something amazing. So for those of you that don't know, before we get into this, let me just show you something quick. So, I've got this box here, open it up, boom, what is this? Oh, it's only my iPhone XR I've been recording all my YouTube videos with, shattered into a million pieces. So here we go. And what have we got right here? Is this, or is this not, an iPhone 11 Pro? Pull the casing off. Now. Brand new phone, guys. So, first thoughts, space grey, looks absolutely beautiful. There's like a semi-matte finish, but it's made out of glass as well, and I really cannot complain about it. It actually looks amazing. It actually really looks beautiful. So, I mean, Vern's here to come and say hello to you guys as well.
Hello.
Always has to be part of the excitement, don't you, Verno? And so yeah, that's the first thing. So let's just get the phone out. Oh, the phone is quite weighty actually. If you feel it compared to the XR, actually it weighs about the same, but it's slightly smaller. Let me turn it around the right way for you guys. Yeah, so slightly smaller, but it's got 3 times the amount of cameras. So it's a good thing, especially for you guys on the older tube of view. Let's peel that off. Right, now before I start the phone up for the first time, I'm going to insert the SIM card, so I'm just going to turn the camera for a second and do that now. So here we are. I know you guys can mainly see my laptop keyboard, but you know what, I don't really care, because I don't have much room available unless I'm in the workshop. So I've got the removal pin here, of course, I just fitted the SIM card. So before I turn the phone on for the first time, I just want to go through the rest of the box with you guys. So what we've actually got in here, we've got this. Now this is what the pin came in. Standard pin would be in there. You've got a little power off and charging little guide thing. Inside it tells you how to use the home screen and stuff. All basic things. That's like safety regulations and shite. And boom! The free stickers. If you don't get these with an iPhone, yeah, I don't know why the iPhone's even worth it, to be fair. Who wouldn't? Like, that's the main thing you buy them for, really. So it actually comes with a USB Type-C plug, which I'll unwrap for you now. And why it's a USB Type-C plug is just for the faster charging, as it's now an 18-watt charger, which is approximately 3.5 amps charging speed. So, you know, it's faster than the old standard 2.2, 2.5 and that. Like how it flicks out. And as you can see, it's just a USB 3 connection there. It also comes with the earbuds, and these earbuds are on a cable, and they run to a lightning cable at the bottom. So you can plug into the bottom of the phone, because of course they don't have a jack. Lovely addition, because I've been needing some new earphones. And then of course we've got the USB-C to the lightning power cable. And that is all that was in the box. Now, what also came in the box was, oh, where is it? This phone here. Now what is this? Is this the iPhone 11 prototype? What is it? There's a, oh, lovely bit of Android kit here, guys. A lovely bit of Android kit here. This phone costs £42, yeah? 42. Lovely paid for by my mother. Also, if you compare it to iPhone 11, you can see it comes with 3 cameras as well. Must be good bit of quality, good bit of kit. So if we just go onto the camera now, I'll show you how good it really is. Oh, wow. The quality. Oh my god. Can you guys see the quality on that? Fuck this phone. Let's carry on with the iPhone 11. Right. First turn on. Let's go. Right. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Might need to charge up. Let me read that little instruction thing I see a minute ago. Because, you know, just unwrap this because I think the battery's dead. I don't know why phone manufacturers ship them with dead batteries. What's that all about? Someone explain to me. Okay, so the cable that's come with it is only 1 meter long for this lightning to USB 3, or USB-C should I say, not USB 3. USB 3 is faster for PCs. And yeah, I'm just going to plug that in quick. Get in there. Right. And now, when we plug it in, now what happens? Hey! Yeah, the battery's flat. Okay, so, right, so I've just put my old SIM card in this phone in case I need it for anything or in case anyone wants to try and phone me. Probably going to receive a few texts. It's labelled as E, isn't it? Yeah, so, but the most important thing, this one is now saying hello to me. So, we're just going to go through the initial setup. Of course, we're from Afghanistan, aren't we? So we're going to press that. Joking, United Kingdom, where's that? Wait, where's United Kingdom?
At the top.
At the top? What is it at the top? Oh, the United Kingdom is actually right at the top. Well, guys, Lauren giving me the older advice there. Bring your current. I want to set it up manually. I don't want to copy my old phone. Right, so the Wi-Fi network is this one. Need to take it away from it from you guys, but I don't actually need to because I'm just going to edit this bit out. So I've connected myself to the Wi-Fi network. So just press next. It's going to take a few minutes to activate my iPhone. Now, whilst my phone's activating, I just want to let you know you do want to keep all this shit together in your box, and you do want to keep the boxes because you never know what's going to happen within the first like 6 months, and you are going to need the box to return it. I mean, you don't really have to, but they don't ask as many questions if you still have all your shit. Do you know what I mean? Okay, that's fine. Face ID. So of course I need to set up my face. And for you guys that didn't really realise, I now wear glasses. So what I just did, guys, is I set it up with my glasses on and my glasses off because it always does 2 passes for one face. So that's pretty good. Now I'm going to create a passcode. You guys aren't going to see that, are you? Fucking. So just get the passcode, give it a minute to just do its thing. I don't want to restore anything, don't transfer. But I am going to sign in with my same Apple ID, so of course I get all the same app purchases and stuff. A loud ass bike in the background, guys. Right, so basically this is another reason I needed my phone number to work, because now it's trying to phone me to actually verify who I am. So this phone should start ringing. Maybe. Hello? Hello? Look, ending in 6464. Fucking thing. So, keep your iPhone up to date. Continue, enable. The old location services. I need it to know my location and stuff because, you know, I like the government tracking me. Apple Pay, set up later in wallet. Don't want to set that up now. Just because, you know, trying to get everything done. I've already got that purchased, so suck you mum. Don't use keychain. Actually, fuck it. Continue. Set up Siri. Actually, yeah, let's set up Siri now. Come on, Siri, what can you tell me? Share audio recordings? Fuck it, I don't care. Screen time, continue. Share with Apple, fuck it. Share with app developers. Most people would actually say no to most of the things I've clicked because they want more privacy. But honestly, I don't give a fuck. So, you know what I mean? See without True Tone or see with True Tone? Oh, without True Tone is very white, but True Tone makes it a little bit more orange. Yeah, I'll probably turn True Tone off, to be fair. And I like the dark appearance of my phones, so there we go, there's that. Switch between all this bullshit. Swipe up to get started. And here we are, we're into the phone. Now, instantly, I can tell you that the quality on this phone is better than my XR. Simply because the screen's not smashed. But no, it is 10 times better. So, from now on, we're recording on the phone screen itself. Lovely. So, here we are. We're on the home screen now, finally. And yeah, I've just downloaded loads of apps. Do you know what I mean? We've got my banking apps like Monzo there. We've got Halifax, Barclays. We've got the old Spotify, all the food apps. And we're going to organise all these after, but I'm just showing you that I've downloaded them now. I just want to go through a few features of the phone and that. Like, let's actually have a look at the camera together. Like, hey guys. And you can see it's really bright. Like, really high quality. You can, like, see my face really well. Sorry, I was just laying down whilst recording that bit. I ain't sorted myself out at all because I'm not really that fussed. But, oh my god, this camera quality is, like, amazing. I'm not sure how you guys are seeing me right now, if you're seeing exactly what I'm seeing, but I'm pretty sure you are. So, pretty good if you ask me. Let's change the other camera quick. Well, other camera, should I say? And oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look how far I've just zoomed in on that tree. That's 10 times zoom there. And I can zoom right out to be wide angle as well. Because you can see the whole entire one wall of my room now. Because there's 3 cameras, there's a wide angle, there's a narrower angle, the normal camera, and there's the even closer camera. So yeah, there's actually really cool. You can see how messy my room is, guys. See what we got going on. But I really, really like this. I really do. Like, I cannot fault this one bit. I love this new camera. And that's of course what I'm going to be using the phone for mainly, because the camera is just my main output, because, you know, YouTube. And then I've got my apps as per normal. I've got Thumbnail Maker, YouTube Studio, and Velo. And Velo is an amazing app for video editing. So of course, just got to look at that shit again as per normal. And honestly, ooh, what have I done? Trying to start a new project. But yeah, I love Velo. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what everything's like so far. So of course, then we got the old Safari. Literally just standard. I need to download Google Chrome or something in a minute. Let's probably just do that now quick. Just show you guys how easy it is to download. Literally, Chrome, type it in, press download, and boom, that's it. It'll download pretty quickly. Chrome should be right there in a sec. And yeah, so now let's just go into settings and I'll show you about the phone, tell you what it was about. So, as you can see here, we've got the iPhone 11 Pro. It's got limited warranty for a minute. It's called Brad's iPhone. But if we go down to storage, wherever that is. iPhone storage right there. You can see it's the 256 gigabyte model. It ain't the cheap little 64 gig model, because I can't really be dealing with that anymore. So I had to get the 256. So what I am going to do now actually is I'm going to run, see if there's a software update. And there is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to get the software update, and then the next time you guys are going to see me, it's going to be on the actual camera, recording an actual video again. Because, you know, I hate having the background either side of this video, as you guys can see right now. And so, here we are. This is the first bit of actual, like, footage being recorded on my brand new phone. I'm recording it in 4K 30, which my old phone could do, but I was actually recording in 1080 because, yeah. So there is going to be a slight difference just because of that anyway. That isn't to do with the phone. But there is a big old difference I want to show you, because this is normal camera mode, yeah? And I have 3 cameras, believe it or not. I have one of them that zooms right in, and this is actually like the main focal point of this lens, yeah? So I zoom in from here, and I can zoom in pretty far, you know? This is only 6 times zoom because it's on video, but I can zoom in 10 times on camera, yeah? Then I go back to normal, but then the best one, I've got a wide angle lens. So I'm literally standing next to this bit of wood right here, yeah? And I can see so much now. Like, I'm standing back and I can see the entire workshop. Like, you guys couldn't see all this before on the XR. You could literally see about this much in video on the XR. So, trust me, this is a big improvement. Because look, just walking out towards the adrenaline, you can see the whole garden from the door. You know? Whereas normally, you could only see that. And yeah, it's literally such a big difference. And the quality is just immense. So, I may as well also do a bit of a veg update. Fruit and veg and that. We got the pickles coming along, lovely. Because, you know, I love pickles, want to make some nice burgers and that, all homemade. Also got the tomatoes coming along, lovely, for the same burgers. Got quite a good few tomatoes, actually. Let's go back to wide angle. Yeah. Looking dank. Got loads and loads of tomatoes. Sunflowers getting nice and big as well. Might use a few sunflower seeds for a few recipes. Just got a courgette over here. No, I literally didn't even move. I'm just changing between cameras. And that's the difference between the big one and the little one. That is mental. Like, Jesus Christ. Then of course we got the old tomatoes. Some more shit. And then let me pull one of these out for you on camera. Right, I'm on wide angle right now, so I'll go to normal for a minute. Just getting used to the camera, showing you guys what I'm doing. Now, we've got 2 little fucked up carrots. One of them's super skinny, and one of them's fat and split in half. But yeah, we've got carrots growing there. Put them down for a minute. But in here, we've got... Oh, that's rooted in nicely. Just shake that dirt off. We've got the stubbiest parsnip in the world. I'm trying not to break all the leaves off, but fuck it. Just get a gentle tug. And that is a parsnip. So yeah, both of these aren't actually fully done yet. We have got bigger carrots. Like, I've pulled a carrot out about a good 6-7 inches long, nice and thick as well, about nearly an inch thick. So, yeah, but fucking probably be taking them out about October when they're nice and big, you know what I mean? Don't want no baby carrots. And yeah, there's the go-kart in case you ain't seen that. Go-kart's pretty sick, actually. Can't fault it. Fucking beast. That's the 26cc Strimmer engine. I'm going to put a 50cc one on something. But I've also got, well, I don't actually own this one, but I've got a Nerf go-kart here. Don't own this treader either, but that's a little rally that I've been borrowing. Got all new shelving to put up in the garage at some point. Got my Alexa, always have. Got the ashtray. Naughty. And yeah. Fucking lit. I love this new camera on this phone. And the front facing camera is just ridiculous too. Like, the quality difference in all the cameras is just, it's ridiculous. Like, I'm loving to look at you guys right now and look at myself, yeah? Because I can see the quality difference. And I'm just trying to find the right lighting angle for standing out here. Because over here, I'm a little bit too bright, if you know what I mean. Whereas, when I start moving around to about here, that's alright. If I come this way, about here. So, I'm just trying to experiment right now. This is literally just an experimental video. Do you know what I mean? Just to show you guys what's going on. But yeah, the XR is dead. But do expect a video repairing that and repairing an iPhone 5C and a 5S, I think, because I've got a few iPhones upstairs, all need repairing. They all have like memories and photos and stuff on, so got to get all that done really, ain't I? And yeah, I'm going to be selling each one afterwards. So if you want an iPhone XR, hit me up for a banging price, banging deal, because I'll do it for you. And also, as a quick addition to the video here, I'm going to show you guys this. You're underwater. If you can hear me properly, that's awesome. Because absolutely mad. No problem. And so that's it for this short episode of JBS Garage. Hope you liked it. Hope you liked the unboxing video and stuff. And yeah, I'll be seeing all you guys in the next video. Peace, guys.